Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be reacting to EAS alarms of around the world. Okay, so as you guys know, the EAS, if y'all don't know what the EAS alarm is, basically it's like an emergency alarm for when like a natural disaster is happening or something. So I'm gonna be reacting to this one. Guys, I don't know why my thing is not working. I normally this. Yeah, I'm trying to. Hey, guys, we're gonna react to it without wasting time. So just wait. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's get it. Let's also subscribe. Results. Ooh, warm welcome. A list of EAS alarm songs around the world. Okay, chill. You know, oh no, now this is what. Let's keep our volume down. Okay, ah, shoot. That's the United States. Oh no. My ears, bro. Canada. Okay, no, Japan. As long as I'm not scared. Okay. What's the scariest one? Guys, these get scarier as you go on. Okay, we're gonna look at it. What the heck? What is this? Okay. What is this? Guys, I don't promote any of I don't promote any of this of the Israel supporting. Just I'm with Palestine on this. Iron Dome. What? Okay, this one from Israel. And see. What? Bro, you can tell this came straight from a video that they found on the internet. I'm not even joking. Real alarms, by the way. These aren't fake. These are real. These are real. These are very real. Shout out to Hector's Productions for making this. Subscribe to all team. And thank you guys so much for 60 subscribers. Hopefully we can go for 70 subscribers. What's this like? This is a Gulf Wars Israel and Saudi Arabia. This is the current one. Okay, let's go out of here. This is an actual alarm. I'm not even joking, this is actual alarm, bro. I'm not even joking about it. This is actual alarm, bro. I'm actually sorry, bro. I'm laughing. You got 2 million views. Right. This was one of my British friends on Roblox. This is what they'll see after English film. I'm in Malaysia right now, and this is an actual Lord. Of course, it's another Lord. This is another Lord. Hold on. I'm larping so badly, bro. I am larping so badly. Holy larp. Okay, this is the main reason why we are here. Mexico.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Okay, I get it. Chillax. Okay. Hora sísmica. Okay, apparently the Greece one is the scariest because I read it before I was YouTuber. Wait, why is it not on here? Finland is not that scary, but I heard Greece is the scariest one. Videos about this before. So, you know, Greece one is the scariest. Greece one is the scariest, like actually. It's in like 8:38 p.m.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shoot. Bro, that actually sounds like from the Holocaust in Germany where they had like see? See? I'm not gonna say it. The Austrian painter was in that era. If you know, you know. South Korea. But I say, so this is what Neymar hears whenever he's there. So that was what Gangman's son heard, and that's what Thomas Muller heard. Yes, Russia, also known as Soviet Union. Soviet Union. Chile fire Beniso. Russia. Okay, that one is actually scary though. I'm not joking. That one is actually scary. Kind of scary. It sounds like a vuvuzela. You know what that Russia one sounds like? It sounded like it sounded like that nuke warning one. It sounded like that nuke warning one. Okay, just that nuke warning. See? Like a vuvuzela and that nuke warning one at the same time. I'm not joking.
Evacuar, tsunami, evacuar a zona de seguridad.
Antofagasta is the scariest one, I'm not joking. Wait. Lithuania, Netherlands, Bulgaria, and Antofagasta. Argentina. Messi. This is like Messi thing. Whenever that happens to Messi. Argentina. Messi. Iran. Iran is also still. So they're in the Gulf War, like they're in the Gulf War. It's like Saudi Arabia and Israel. Okay, now it's actually kind of scary, but it's like when all those like when they like tsunamis happen. What did you guess? I'm saying Portugal. I mean Portugal. Portugal. I know they put Portugal in the north. This one is actually a good story though. Ukraine. Oh, so this is what the people over there when they get stuck in the war thing. It's not even really different. It's not even really the war and stuff. The war, with the war with Russia, Lithuania. By the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Oh my gosh, I'm not reading. This might cook y'all's ears. This might cook y'all ears. So I'm putting a very low volume. Just like this, yeah. Now at the Netherlands. This is what Van Dyke hears. Whenever there's like an earthquake or something, or like a natural disaster, this is what Van Dyke would hear. What Van Dyke hear. Netherlands. Okay, that one is pretty scary. Not even that scary after all, though. Not even that scary. Old Bulgaria. Okay, the old one is actually pretty scary. So this is what they used to do. The countdown got less scary. Okay, that one is pretty scary, not gonna lie. Scary. Last video before I have to go to bed. It's the school week again now. I'm only able to make videos. I have a lot of time to make videos. That's only gonna be in September. Okay, so that's all of them. So now we're gonna look at EAS on Greece. Okay, that one is actually scary. If you enjoyed,
Come on, 7. Before 7.
if you enjoyed this
I
video,
cut
leave a
out send
like,
on talk that too quickly.
subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.